Welcome back, welcome back. This is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. Right now we have a beautiful hair loss warrior. She is trying to regrow her hair, and we have been doing a couple of treatments on her. She has been using our scalp medics and our miracle drops, and she has been coming to the hair loss clinic to get some of her scalp treated. However, we have not seen her in a good 5 or 6 weeks. So that's why it's important to come to your treatments no more than 2 or 3 times. As you can see, some of her follicles are starting to get a little bit inflamed again. So it's time. Today we did a mild scalp exfoliation, and we're going to give her an inflammation block treatment as well, and do a couple of other treatments. They're probably even going to do some laser on her as well. And you know, a lot of people suffer from these different types of scalp conditions. This is very prominent in our community, probably from years of people getting different relaxers done, getting tight braids done. I don't know if you watched some of our videos, but earlier we were talking about folliculitis and inflammation, and pretty much just inflammation of the hair follicles, and how a lot of different tight hairstyles, a lot of excessive sweating, and bacteria building up at the scalp. I know a lot of times when people get these so-called hairstyles, I think they're called protective hairstyles. They are getting protective hairstyles. However, they are not protecting their hairlines. They are not protecting and shampooing their hair in the midst of getting these types of hairstyles. And so when you do those things, then a lot of time excess sebum build up and excess bacteria can dwell at the follicle. Also, we're learning that a lot of people suffer from seborrheic dermatitis and psoriasis. And when these different types of scalp disorders are not treated in the long term, they can eventually cause hair loss if these conditions are not treated. So when you're having your different braided styles and different type of sew-ins, and if you notice that you're having any type of scalp buildup, any type of flakiness, then that is a telltale sign that you need to go to, guess what? Who? The Weave Doctor. Your local trichologist, or if you're not able to find a trichologist, maybe even a dermatologist, even though we do not agree with some of the different steroids that they give, scalp steroids. A lot of them are drying on the hair. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, if you have looked at some of the other previous videos, but this individual's hair is regrowing back slowly but surely. Before, a lot of this hair, she didn't have any hair. Now a lot of vellose hairs, which are fine hairs, are starting to grow in this section because she has been using our miracle drops and our scalp medics at home. And she has occasionally been drinking some of our herbal teas. And we're just showing you the different hairs that are emerging. So this can be you too. So if you're looking to schedule, please feel free to book us at mainattractionshair.com, or follow us on YouTube or Facebook at Main Attractions Hair Weaving in Bowie. Thank you, and have a safe and productive day.